If you're planning to start an online business, then you're at the right place. This masterclass is created along with my new book, 3 Key Action Steps to Success for Your Online Business. I want to give you as much value as possible through this masterclass to help you figure out exactly step by step how to start, grow, and scale your online business in just 3 steps. Before we get started, I have a very special free gift for you, our online business toolkit with all the tools and resources you need to run a successful online business. You can get it for free at yourentrepreneuresources.com/toolkit. When you're considering starting an online business and embarking on your journey as an entrepreneur, it's so crucial that you put in the time to specify your specific niche. Having a niche can help you define and focus on your target audience, and you can establish yourself as the expert and build strong relationships. If you want to be a successful entrepreneur and make money from the content that you create, then you have to focus on one niche. There are billions of websites on the internet right now, but unfortunately, not all of them are making money. Too many online business owners are trying to do everything for everyone instead of focusing their efforts on a specific niche. If you want to be successful as an entrepreneur and make money from the content that you create, then you have to focus on one niche. To help you figure out exactly why you need a niche and how to find your niche, check out the episode that I'm going to link in the description box. Once you have a clear understanding of your niche, your target audience, and how you're going to serve them, let's take a look at the 3 steps you need to take to get you on the right path towards your online business success. Step 1 is all about the tools. Having the right tools is so important. Here we're going to cover 3 important tools you need for your online business. Tool number 1 is your website. The number 1 reason you need to have your own website is so that you can brand yourself and your business. On your website, you should have your homepage, about page, product or service page, contact page, and your legal pages. A lot of people might not realize the importance of having legal pages on your website, like your privacy policy page, terms and condition page, and disclaimer page. But it's crucial to make sure that your website is legal and you don't run into any troubles in the future. I'm not a lawyer, but I put a completely free legal course run by a lawyer down in the description box for you to check out. There are a lot of different website options out there, but I would highly suggest getting a WordPress website to start with. WordPress is the go-to platform for all kinds of businesses, and it's currently powering around 37.6% of websites globally. There are a lot of different themes, plugins, and tools you can get to customize your website. I have put all the tools inside the online business toolkit, so make sure to grab it for free in the description box. But just quickly, you can use Namecheap for your domain, Bluehost or SiteGround for your hosting. Both of these web hosting platforms are amazing. Bluehost is more affordable to start with, and SiteGround supports more complex websites. Divi is a great theme to have with a lifetime access, one-time fee, and also great support. It comes with 3 extra plugins, Extra, Bloom, and Monarch to add more features to your website. Apart from WordPress, there's also Wix, which is great for people who need a professional-looking website done quickly with the least amount of learning curve. Right now, there are also a lot of different online platforms that help you with your online business by providing everything you need in one place, like Kajabi and Podia. Kajabi is an all-in-one online business platform that's used by a lot of coaches and online entrepreneurs. Podia is great for selling your own digital products, membership site, and online courses. If your main goal is to sell products, especially physical products, then Shopify is the go-to platform for you. Another important tool to have for your online business is your email autoresponder. Having an email list is so important because no matter how much you try to grow your social media followings, you lose everything if they decide to shut down one day or ban your account. An email autoresponder helps to communicate with your audience and build your relationship with them. There's ConvertKit, which is my favorite. It focuses on helping creators like bloggers, influencers, and course creators. Their email automations can be done very easily with tagging and segmentation. One of the best things about ConvertKit is that they have just released a new plan, which is completely free. You can use the free plan for a list for up to 1,000 subscribers. You won't be able to use some of the functions, but you can start building your list with the main features. There is MailerLite, which is basically a more affordable version of ConvertKit, and it has everything you need when you're starting out. There's also ActiveCampaign and GetResponse. There are so many more email autoresponders out there, but before you go on the internet and look for reviews and spending hours and hours finding that perfect email autoresponder for yourself, let me just say, don't let the technology stop you. All the email autoresponders are great, and you can always change if you decide to use another one in the future. Okay, let's move on to tool number 3, lead magnet. A lead magnet, also known as a freebie, is something that you give away for free or for a discounted price in exchange for your target audience's email address. The process is crucial to turn your cold audience into warm leads by nurturing them through your email series. This is an important step to get your ideal audience to opt into your funnel and hopefully turn them into customers. Here are some ideas for a lead magnet. You can create a free ebook, free email course, free template, free webinar, or a free mini video series. You can use tools like Canva, Designer, or Beacon to easily create your lead magnet. Now we're at step 2, which is sales funnel. Now that you have the proper tools to get started, you need to set up a sales funnel. To lead your target audience down a sales funnel, you need to have captured the lead. What that means is you need to have a landing page or a form where they can put in their email addresses and their names. After you've captured the lead, then what? A mistake that a lot of marketers make is that they don't actually use the opt-in process to add more value to their offer. What they do is that they tend to just have a thank you page that's provided by their email autoresponder that says, "Thank you for your subscription." That's a waste of real estate that could be used to offer another product or by introduce your audience into your community, like your Facebook group. Now that your new subscriber has downloaded your lead magnet, that shouldn't be the end of your relationship. There are other important parts of this system that now comes into play. Use the lead magnet to add value, build a relationship, and possibly generate sales. In your lead magnet, you should add links that direct your visitors back to your website, your offers, and your services. Wherever you can, make sure to include links to tools that will help your subscribers solve their problems. Wow them with the amount of value you're giving away for free. The follow-up is the part of your system that will generate sales for you if done properly. A great way to do the follow-up is automatically creating a series of 5 or more emails that will go out every 2 or 3 days to the new subscribers. After you've warmed up your subscribers and they expect value in your emails, you can start offering higher ticket items and running sales. Don't forget to always think about your subscribers and what they need and want. Step 3 is all about the traffic. Now that you have your website and your tools set up, it's time to start driving traffic to your lead capture page. There are millions of websites out there. If you don't have any traffic driven to your website, chances are people are not seeing you or your product or services. So to get any leads into your system, you need to drive traffic to that system. There are 2 kinds of traffic you can generate: free or paid. When you're first starting out, you might not have a lot of money to invest into your business. Don't worry, there are a lot of people who have made a lot of money from free traffic sources. The first thing that you need to think about is your content. Content can come in a lot of different forms, like written content, like blog posts and social media posts, audio, like podcasts, videos, like talking head videos, webinars, or presentations, and there are a lot more. You can use tools like Lumen 5, which is great to help you instantly turn your blog post into a video. There's also Designer, which I talked about earlier, that can turn your blog posts into ebooks or any other formats that you want. You can use tools like Meet Edgar to help you schedule your social media posts. Having a blog is a great way to gain SEO ranking. Search engines want fresh content all the time, so it's a great idea to create a series of blogs based on your niche. Which brings me to the next point, which is SEO. SEO is so important to help you grow your website. You can write a series of blog posts based on the products or services that you offer. Content is useless unless it's optimized to be discovered by search engines. When people come across your website searching on the internet, like with Google, they're most likely looking for a specific solution. If they land on your website and you try to sell them something right away, they'll likely just click the back button and find another website that will provide the necessary information they need. So providing valuable content is so crucial. Give your visitors what they want, answer their questions, and in the process, let them know about your services and products. To help you optimize SEO for your website, you can use tools like SEO Yoast or RankMath. There are also tools like SEMrush or Ubersuggest that can help you find the right keywords to rank for. Then there's social media. Using social media is one of the best ways to gain momentum and reach a wider audience without spending any money. Growing on social media is not easy. Remember to always provide immense value to your audience. On top of that, always be consistent with the content that you create and make sure to engage with your audience. Social media platforms want their audience to be social, so to create lasting relationships and work with the algorithm, engagement is crucial. You can use tools like Tailwind or Meet Edgar to help you schedule your social media posts. Growing on social media is a whole other topic, but if you want to start learning how to grow your followings and reach, find out more through the Online Business Toolkit. Now let's talk about paid traffic. After you've established a system so that you're earning money when someone goes through the funnel, you can calculate your revenue per subscriber. Then you can determine your acquisition costs and if you can afford to pay for the traffic. Here are some paid traffic generation methods. You know, on the sides or sometimes at the top of search engine listings, you'll see what's called paid advertisers. These advertisers will pay the search engines every time someone clicks through their link. This is a unique form of advertising because it's not based on views but actual clicks. With PPC, you need to calculate how many clicks it takes to turn a visitor into a subscriber and then to a sale. Pay-per-click is a great way to drive targeted audience to your website, but if you don't pay attention to your metrics, you could end up paying a lot more than you anticipated. You can use PPC advertising through a lot of the social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and Pinterest. Other platforms like Google and Amazon also have great PPC advertising that you can start using right away to grow your reach. Then we've got influencer marketing. Influencer marketing is one of the latest additions to the paid traffic strategies. Depending on the influencer's number of followers and reach, it can get quite expensive. Try to look for micro-influencers that would match your brand with the audience you're trying to reach. Sometimes micro-influencers are happy to get samples of your products, review them, and get affiliate sales from the products. You can find influencers and micro-influencers through social media or online platforms like Reachbird or Aspire IQ. There are sponsored posts. You can find websites with bigger audience and traffic and ask them to write a blog post about your products or services. In some cases, you can also submit posts to be published on their websites. This would mean getting one or more backlinks pointing to your website from a website with higher authority than you. Then it can also help with your SEO. These are just some of the many ways to grow your online business. Before you get overwhelmed by all the information out there, make sure to take things one step at a time. To recap, we've got step 1, which is the tools, step 2, which is the sales funnel, and step 3, the traffic. If you're interested in finding out more, then you can check out my book, 3 Key Action Steps to Success for Your Online Business. Again, don't forget to get your free online business toolkit by going to yourentrepreneuresources.com/toolkit. Let me know in the comment section down below, what stage of your online business are you at right now? If you enjoyed this video, I would really appreciate it if you'd like it. And if you want to find out more about how to grow your online business, make sure to subscribe and press the bell notification. Thank you so much for being here today, and I'll see you in the next video.